Hey, good evening. I'm glad you're here. I'm author Jack Batcher, and I wanted to tell you that May 25th is the anniversary of my book, Are There Monsters in My Closet? Illustrated by Charles Burns. Hey, did you hear that? Sounds like it's coming from over there. Why don't we take a look? I think it's coming from the closet. We all know there's really no monsters in your closet. Let me see. Okay. Well. Again, I wanted to tell you that my book, about my own, I'm tripping over my own words here. May 25th is the anniversary of my children's book, Are There Monsters in My Closet? Available on Amazon.com. And you can go and get your copy there. For me right now, I'm going to get going. And thanks for watching. And thank you in advance for getting a copy of the book. Good night.